Namaste, students. Hope you all fine. Myself, Saranya. I'm your EBS teacher. Today, we are going to see the lesson Story of Food. So, children, see these pictures. This is Venu's family. See the first picture. Mother is doing some grinding work and father is cleaning the floor, sweeping the floors. And the second thing, they sit together and eat. And the third one, the father and mother is reading the newspaper and the girl is riding the cycle. So this is one type of family. We'll see the next family. Rani's family. In the first picture, mother is cooking. In the second picture, father and brother is sitting and eating, and the girl is serving the food. See the third picture? See how the mother and the girl child is doing all the works, but her father is sitting simply and reading the newspaper. So, which is correct, childrens? The first Venus family, right? We should help our family members. So, look at the picture given above. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? So, these are the works which I told you. Is your family like anyone of these families? If yes, like which one? So, which family uh, is like your family? So, write your answer. How is your family like theirs? So, answer this question, children. This is your homework. Next, if not, let us talk about your family. So, if your family is not like Rani's family means, we'll talk about them. Do all the people in your family eat together? So while having the food, every members are sitting together? If not means what is the reason for that? Write the answer. Who eats last in the family? Most of the families, our mothers will eat last, right? So in your family, who will eat last? Write them. Okay. Third one, who does not help in cooking food in the family and why? So who's not uh helping to cooking the food and why they are not helping? Write the reason also. In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Find out who does them in your house. Who does them in your friend's house? You can add some other work also to the list. So, childrens, you have to answer these questions and also ask your friend and answer the second column also. So, first, cooking food. In your home, who will cook food? Write the answer and ask your friend and write the answer also. Second one, buying things from the market. Who will buy the things from the market? Write your answers. Sweeping. Who will sweeping in your home? Write the answer. And who will cleaning the utensils? And who will filling the waters? So who will do all these things? Write your answer. So you can add three more works. So which who will work that? You can answer for that also. So do by yourself. Who does more work? In your house or in your friend's house? So write their names here. So these things and all you have to write by your own children's. So this is your homework. Next, see here, childrens, where does what we eat come? So, here are some items are there. We'll see where these items are coming. Honey. So, honey, where we will get, see the picture here? From the honey bees, right? So, it is from the animals. If we are getting any items from animal means, we should draw red circle. So, what is the next one? Corn. So, corn where we will get from plants. So, that is green circle. Next is spinach. Where we will get that also from plants. So next one is egg. Egg where we will get from hen. So that is red. And where we will get tomato? We will get tomato from the plants. So circle green. Next, turmeric. Where we will get turmeric? We will get turmeric in the plants. So that also green color. So where we will get milk? We will get milk from cow. So that is from animal. So red circle. Next, potato. Where we will get potato? We will get potato from plants, green circle. Then meat. So meat and all where we will get that from animals, right? So that is red circle. The next one is onion. Where we will get onion? We will get onion from plants. So that is green circle. Next is fish. Fish where we will get fish is an animal, right? So that is red circle. Where we will get lemon from lemon plant, so green. Where we will get ajwain? So see the picture, childrens, this is called ajwain. So we will get ajwain from the plant. So what circle we can draw? Green circle. The last one is banana. Where we will get banana? We will get banana from the plant. So that is also a green. So childrens, they have given so many spaces. You can write some more items and then you can draw the circles. So from this you can understood the things which we eat, where it is coming, right? So when you are sick, do you take any medicines which we get from plants? So what type of medicine that is? So if you are sick means some homemade medicines our mother or our grandparents will give, right? So what type of medicine is that? In which plant it is coming? So write that answer. First, when we get any hurt means what type of medicine they will give. And second one, if we have a stomach ache, what type of medicine? Third, if we have a cough or cold, what type of medicine they will give, which is from plants. And have a toothache. So if you have a toothache means what type of homemade uh, medicine what they give, which is from plants. So write your answer, childrens. This is your homework. Next, see here, childrens. Choose the correct basket for each item. Draw a line to match the things. Children, see here in this circle so many things they have given. And in the outside, four baskets are there. One is flowers, the next one is leaves, third one is fruits, and the fourth one is any other part of a plant. They have given one example. Lotus step means any other part of the plant, right? So they have draw the lines. So like that, you have to draw lines for each things. Childrens, you should draw the line very neatly. Okay. So curry leaves, where we will get curry leaves means what type of that? Flower, leaves, fruit, or any other part of the plant. So it is a leaf, right? You have to draw the lines to leaves basket. So like that, you have to draw lines for every things. This is your homework, childrens. Do this in your book itself. Okay. So hope you all understood the lesson, childrens. Here is your homework. Read the lesson carefully and do your homework whichever I gave you, and copy the exercise and the question answers whichever in the book. Copy it in your classwork note. Okay, childrens. Thank you.